Alright, welcome to this module. Alright, um, in this module, I'll be showing us how to set up a complete Facebook business page. Alright, how to add the Facebook shop feature to your page to make it look more professional and easy for you to sell. Alright, and also how to set up or how to sell on Facebook marketplace. Sorry, how to sell on Facebook marketplace. Okay, if you are watching this video, I believe you've watched the subsequent videos on how to create our Facebook page. Alright, but that's not where it ends. In the other, you can add the shop feature to your page. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so let's go straight there. Okay, this is my Facebook homepage. Alright, so once you log in, you look at the left hand side and you click on pages. Alright, you click on pages. But before then, I want us to quickly check other okay, no problem, you can still do it here. Alright, so I want to check on my competitors and see what they are doing with their own page. Alright, so I want to give you an example of how the page will look like that I'm talking about. So let me type boutique. Alright, this is what we'll be searching. Let's say boutique. Alright, so let's say I'm searching for boutique. Okay, and let's go to pages. We're looking for pages now. Okay, alright, let me open this. Let me open this menu tab. Okay, so I just want to quickly show something. Now let me return back to my own profile, my own page. Okay. Still loading now. Page is still loading. Okay, so let me locate my page. Okay, this is the page we are using, Classic Boutique. Okay. This page is still loading. Zone 2 is still loading. Let me close all this. So now I'm left with this two. Okay. Now if you look at this page very well, you see this page has the shop feature. Look at my mouse. Look at where my mouse is. You see shop. Here you can list your product and also put the amount. Okay. Now if you look at this page is different from this other page. This is my own page I created initially. Page is taking time to load, but to load, that's for sure. I need to load. Okay. Now this is the type of page you want to create, where customers can come to your page and see your products and also their prices and what and order. Okay, because if you check some pages, they just create the page, just post, and they are complaining they're not getting sales, whereas they are not doing the right thing. Okay, they are not doing the right thing. So let's check. Oh, it's still not loading, so I have to reload the page. What was wrong? So in this module, I'm going to be creating a shop like this. So I'm going to be adding this shop feature to our own page. I already created a page, but it doesn't have this shop feature, which most of our Facebook page doesn't have, and we don't know how to do about it. Okay, it's still loading. Let's see. Still loading. Okay, it's finally up. Now if you look at this page, you discover there's nothing like this. This shop feature is not there. This is what most of us, this is what our Facebook look like, our Facebook page. Alright, we just have information and nothing there. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing, I will show you how to add these shop features to it. Now for you to add, okay, for you to have this shop feature on your page, you need to click on more, then you click on edit tabs. Okay, click on edit tabs, then once you scroll down you see this shop tab. You click on it to enable it. You have to turn it to blue. Once it's blue, you know it's enabled, but once it's like this, you know it's not enabled. Once it's ash color, so you need to turn it on to enable this feature on your page. But mind you, once you turn this thing on, it's not going to reflect on your page immediately. I think that is something I noticed. I think it's going to take between, let's say, a week to 2 weeks, let's say 7 to 14 days for this feature to come up on your page. But then while you are waiting for it to come up, don't just leave your page like that. I will advise you to post. Make sure you post on your page daily. Alright, just try and post something every day. Okay, don't just leave the page like that waiting for this feature to activate. You need to post daily on your page. Okay, alright. So once this feature is on, it's going to take between 7 to 14 days, depending on how Facebook wants to do it. Maybe yours might not even take up to that time. Alright, so depends on Facebook. So once it's on, alright, so once you enable that feature, pending when they approve it, make sure you post daily. So once they finally approve it and it's showing here, if you look at this place now, look at where my mouse is, you see shop. Meaning before it wasn't, like few weeks ago it wasn't showing, but now it's showing, meaning they've approved it, right? So to create this kind of shop now, where you can list items and add products, that's what we'll be doing next. So you click on shop. Alright, so once you click on shop, it's loading. So as you can see, add products to your shop, meaning you can add products. So the next thing you want to do is click on agree and continue. Very important. Alright, that's very important. So if you are selling physical products, I believe you need this. So the next thing you want to do is choose how you want people to buy products from your shop. Alright, do you want them to message you before they buy, or do you want to take them to another site where they can make purchase? For example, those of us that are using third partner payment method like PayPal, Paystack, Flutterwave and all, you want to use this. But if you are not using a third party payment, you want them to message you to buy, then you click this. Alright, maybe they want to ask you questions before buying. Alright, so you click this and click continue. Okay, then you set up your Nigerian store in Naira, then click save and continue. So it's still loading. Alright, so now welcome to your shop. So the next thing you want to do now is the next thing you want to do now is add products. Okay, click on add products. Here you select the products you want to add. Are you adding video products or photo? So if you're adding photo, click on add photo. Okay, select files. So I think I have some products I'll be using. So still loading. So it's up now. I need to select the product. So let me go to downloads. I'll have them in my downloads. Alright, still loading. Okay, so this is what I want to, let's say I want to sell bags. So I already have sample, so I just select. Alright, maybe for, okay, just select. So select, open. So I'm uploading now, uploading the product. So once you're done, you click on use photo. Now you put the name of the product. So let me put hand bag. Alright, handbag. The price, let's say 12,000. Sorry, 1 2 1 2 2. Alright, so the price is 12,000. Okay, so put this product is on sale. Alright, then this one I put let's say 9. Let's put 9,000. Meaning what I'm trying to do here is, meaning the actual price for this bag is 12,000, but I'm selling it for 9,000. Alright, so get quality leather bag. So okay, so you click on share this product on your page. Alright, this product will appear on your page. Then visibility, public, product on it. So it's new, so let's leave it at new. Then click on add product. Okay, so alright, now you can see this product is up. Handbag 9,000. 9,000 was 12,000. Hope you can see it. Alright, so you can also create collection. You can create a bag collection, you can create shoe collection. So let's say if you create a bag collection, it means you'll be having different bag under that collection. If you are selling bag, shoes, everything, I would advise you to create collection for each product. Make sure you have a collection for bag, make sure you have collection for wristwatch, make sure you have collection for shoes, so you don't scatter the whole product over your page. Alright, make sure your page is organized. Yeah, so adding collection will help you organize your page. So what else? Okay, so that's that. Let me add one thing I want to quickly tell you is this. While I was setting up, I used message as the what's it called, as in they need to message me first to make purchase. But assuming I selected the WhatsApp link, alright, sorry, assuming I select the website link, that's where they once they click this product, it will take them to the link where they'll make payment. But since I selected message, it means once they click this product, they will be able to message me directly on my page. So let me add another product now. Let me just add another product. Still the same bag, but a different one now. Let's look for one designer's bag. Let me add this one. Okay. Alright, so use photo. So that's how to add a product to products to your page. Alright, make sure you select all these things. Alright, share. Once you're done, click on add product. It will add automatically. Alright, okay, sale price, let me put 4,000. Alright, so that will be all. Click add product. That will be all. Thank you. Okay, you can